done o, I greet una. I welcome una for our ogbonge channel, Penny Blaze MD. This place na where we dey talk matter wey dey affect our everyday lives for pidgin English. And na where we dey call that series na So E Be. My name na Uchenna Ozekwe, also known as Penny Blaze. Anyone wey call me Penny Blaze Uchenna Ozekwe, I go answer. I be medical doctor, I be physiotherapist. Na me dey bring una this talk this evening. So today, na May 16th, 2023. Na day wey United Nations bring out come carry matter for head, say they dey call am International Day of the Boy Child. This matter wey concern boy child, na one man wey carry the matter for head get time, years before. Now, the name na Jerome Telopsik. This man na lecturer for history for university wey they call University of West Indies. I know say this one dey Caribbean. And the man, na him dey bring up matter wey concern boys, wey pioneer matter wey concern men. Na why, because of that man now, we get Boys International Day of the Boy Child for May 16th. For the International Men's Day na November 19th. Na because of that man. And na so the United Nations come carry the matter for head, come give us this special day. As man wey I be, I still be boy child. Him get one time when I be boy. Now I be man. All the same, as it affect boy child, it affects me. That's why I say make I bring up this matter today. Make I knack on my own story. Make I yarn on as it come dey do me for heart. Today, wey be International Day of the Boy Child, na day when they carry bring up matter, knack on matter wey concern men. Wey we dey say how this life wey we dey live every day dey affect our boys dem. You know say every day they dey talk women, girl child, women empowerment, all of them. But many people no dey too talk boy own. And now I say make I carry my own mouth knack una this story today. Make me make my own contribution as e come dey concern males, boys dem. When time come for men dem, I go chook mouth for that matter too. So we dey ask ourselves, how much wey we don talk? We don talk wetin dey happen. How they dey neglect men, how they no dey give men attention, how they no dey give boy child attention. Now, as we talk am now, wetin be the solution? How we go carry solve this matter? Make the matter no come get worse as e come dey. Make it don't come scatter now. Make it no come cause more problem as it come dey cause now. So now say I wan give una small suggestion how we go do am. For wetin I don see, I be son. I get 5 brothers. I get cousins. I get nephews. I get friends, men. I get boys, maybe friends, all of them. So this matter dey very important for me. Dey very important for people wey dey around me. So now, why we dey come talk this matter now? I wan give una small suggestion how we go help dey promote matter wey concern boy child dem. So one of these, I get small points wey I list here, but make I come just share with these ones, making me my own contribution for this matter wey we dey talk. One be say make we dey be good role model to them, to the boys dem. You be papa, you be brother, you be uncle, you be friend, anyone wey you be na man. As far as say you be man, you get role wey you suppose dey play for this matter. Say get one proverb wey we dey say for our Igbo people. They say if if cow if goat mama goat as im dey chew im grass wey im dey chew, im baby kid go dey watch am as e dey chew am. E no go come guy give am lecture say oga come learn how to chew. Na as im dey chew am, im dey watch am as e dey chew im own. Im dey chew am, as im dey chew am, na so im go learn how im go dey chew im own. As im dey practice am that way, say dey say practice dey make perfect. Na so im go dey learn am and im go dey chew am. Tomorrow e come dey learn am carry am teach im own pikin. So na so e dey for this one. You go be good role model to them. Say they dey learn you fit learn bad thing, you fit learn good thing. But make that thing wey you dey teach, wey dey learn from you, make im be good thing. If you fit be professional for wetin you dey do, make im be the thing wey dem dey learn. You be papa, you be brother, make those people wey dey small boy wey dey around you, make im be the good thing wey dem dey learn from your own side. Say as we dey talk this thing now, e go be like say okay, oga you don dey talk. No, the matter be say na serious case for world now. Crime don rise and many people wey dey do this thing na men dem. Many people wey dey cause all this problem na men dem. E get person wey dey beat im wife, na the case plenty for men side than for women side. Person wey dey cause problem for society na men dem dey cause am more. The main victim na woman. Men victim dey but woman dey. So na why e good make you become role model, good role model. Make these small children dem, make dem dey learn from you. You fit dey secondary school, you fit dey university. Those ones wey dey small, wey dey primary school, wey dey nursery school, na so dey suppose dey learn from you. Na so e suppose be. Make our world come better. As dey learn good thing from you, they go carry am dey apply am for where dem dey. E go dey make them their mind no go dey for bad thing. Make dem dey cause problem for this our society dem. The second one be say make you dey give them time. Dey give them time. They say spend time. Sometimes you go just dey make these people come round, make you dey hear wetin dey worry them. Hear that thing wey dey give them problem. As you dey close to them, you dey feel the pain wey dey pain them. Many times we know say as this our world dey, woman go just come open mouth dey cry. Even if say she no even wetin she dey cry now no be true. But for the fact say woman dey cry, everybody go lis ten. I don dey where person just dey for room like this, woman im carry im phone dey call men, whether im dey sleep with them or im dey do anything, e no concern. My own be say im carry im phone dey call men. These people no be relatives, no be relation, dey just people wey im know. Im cry for them for phone. Come see alert. Next thing piam, 100,000, 50,000, 30,000, 20,000. Money don fill account. Oya bros, go do your own now. Who go lis ten to you? Who go lis ten to you? Who go even hear your cry as you dey cry? They go tell you, you be man now, endure am now, you be strong man now. Even as we dey small, you go wound, they go say, you be man, why you go cry? Even as you get problem for maybe you fit fight girl for class, they go say, how girl go beat you? No be man you be. How you go allow am make him dey beat you, make him dey touch, make him dey make you dey cry? And you go wound yourself, you say, endure am now, you no be man. Why you no go endure am? You want make these people laugh for you? They no go tell woman that one. Woman go cry well. But for guy, for man, for boy, they go tell you, endure am, you be man. You no know say as you dey tell am you be man, the boy dey die inside. As nobody come give him attention now, wetin him go do? Him go just dey endure am. As he come become old man, him go just carry that bitterness, carry am for mind, carry am dey face anybody wey dey around am. Tomorrow him go come dey abuse him wife. Tomorrow he go come dey cause problem for our society dem. You see how the thing dey now. You see how the thing, something wey happen when he small, as he come dey cause big problem for adults. Na why I dey tell us make we carry this matter, make you see am as serious matter, make we treat am as very, very, people dey call am utmost importance of extreme importance. Na why make I dey make mouth na make we dey hear am. I dey add my own voice make we dey hear am, make others hear am, dey put am for practice. So next one be say make you dey teach dem. E get wetin dey call emotional intelligence. For this world, we get too many things wey we dey learn. We dey teach this one, teach physics, biology. You go enter university, they go teach you subject, course wey you dey study. But the thing be say this emotional intelligence, e dey very important because say anything wey we dey do, e dey apply. E dey for workplace now, e dey very important. E dey anywhere where e dey for church, e dey for road, na e dey important. This emotional intelligence dey help you make you dey consider another person wey dey see, wey dey get pain, wey dey get problem. Make you dey help, make you understand the person. Say, this person get this matter. Make I know how I go dey talk to am. Make I know how I go dey knack am one tori. So na why this emotional intelligence e dey important. Make we dey teach our boys dem. Make dem dey consider others. Make dem no just dey do things because say dem be man. No be say because you carry something for your leg, you get 3 legs, you go come dey because say make you be to do anything wey you wan do. And make you no dey get what they call entitlement. Make you not just feel say because say you be man, you fit do anything wey you wan do, anyhow wey you wan do am. You no send anybody, you no care. That as far as say you be man, everybody suppose dey respect you. Everybody suppose dey give you, they bow to you. My brother, my sister, no be so. Life no be like that. Na why important say make we dey teach our boys dem emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence big, no be something wey I fit teach this evening. But the thing be say e dey very important. Make we dey learn am. Make we carry am dey teach our boys dem. Important. Empathy, make we dey consider others. Dignity, e dey important. Make we as we dey, yes, person fit offend you. Person fit do something wey dey make you vex. But make you no carry am just make say, okay, wan make your point. One tell oga, I no like wetin you do. Come now, make am feel say like say no be human being. So na why e important when we dey teach people that yes, if fit get conflict with somebody, if fit get misunderstand with somebody, if at least make you dey do am, dey go your way. Everybody go their way, do your thing. Make you no be like say as una dey get kwanta, una come just make you okay. Just bring am down. E go make me be like say the person no be human being. Person go get special needs, person go get the disability. You come to make him just be like say the person no mean anything to your life. Na why important make we dey teach our boys this thing. Because like say our boys, they no dey too teach them this thing. Some of them as they come grow now, so they come learn. And many times now experience will come teach them. But e no dey good make we dey allow experience teach us things. As experience teach us things, e no dey good. E better make we learn am. So na why e good make we start from pikin level them. Make you teach them. Make them dey learn good thing. How they suppose dey relate, when they suppose dey talk, when they suppose dey respect and honor their fellow human being. Na why e important make we dey do am for children level. Another final thing for me here, make you no dey ignore anything wey they tell you. You know say as rape plenty now, all those abuse wey dey happen for house, even for the one wey dey happen for outside house. For the ones wey boys dem dey see, e plenty o. Na because say they no dey talk am, and nobody dey hear them. Nobody dey give them. Nobody dey hear wetin they dey talk. Nobody wan listen. So the thing go dey pain them inside. As I dey so, I get my own. You know say as they live their own, sometimes some of these people na people wey around them dey touch them. You go see small boy, him fellow man dey touch am anyhow, wey no dey good. He go dey touch am, he go dey make am the boy. Because one, the boy no go fit tell anybody. Sometimes if he talk am, he go dey like say, this boy, wetin dey talk, no be true. He get one day for Facebook like this. I come, boys dey talk some things wey dey happen for when they small. How mates, how self they abuse them, they touch them, they do things. You know say as I come dey read, come see story. I come like Jesus, this thing plenty o. That thing surprise me. Even some girls them, they come shock, thing shock them. Say, they don't know say him like they think say only them they experience this kind of thing. Now so I tell them important, make we dey listen to these people. Reverend Father abuse me, but e no make me say I dey vex for am. But the thing be say, I no want wetin go pain me now be say if person wey dey around me dey experience this kind thing, e go pain me well well well, because I know say I for like do something wey make that thing wey no happen again, make e no happen again. But I no go like make it happen to people, boys wey dey around me. E don happen for my own, e don happen. Me, I don live my life, I don dey go and I don forgive, I don go my way. Wetin God about those small small boys wey no know anything, make dem no go experience. So it go pain me more if people wey I know dey experience. Yes, people wey I no know, e go pain me, but at least that one wey I dey around me, I fit do something. At least that one wey I fit do something, I go do that thing wey I suppose do. And part of that thing wey I dey do na this one wey I dey do here now. So na so I say make I thank una. E good as we don talk am now. I don give my own idea how to solve this one. Make we dey try solve problem wey concern boy child dem. As today wey be International Day of the Boy Child, May 16, every year, wey United Nations come carry am for head. So na so I say make I give una this story for na so e be. So I thank una for those of you wey don dey with us. Try make you dey like, share, subscribe to our channel. Make we dey promote our ministry. Make we dey take this ministry to a permanent site. So I dey greet una, dey invite una for another next episode, next in our series for na so e be.